Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mom and Star. In this video you are going to see about Kent bread maker. I am using this machine since 1.5 years. As this machine helping me a lot in my daily kitchen life, so thought of sharing with you all. So let's see. This is how it looks. It is white and grey in color. Definitely will look good in any kind of kitchen. This is a 550 watt machine. It has 15 automatic options like basic bread, quick bread, yogurt, pizza base, and the best option we have, that is atta and puri kneading. In this you can make minimum 500 gram to maximum 1000 gram of bread, and it has 3 preset color setting like light, medium and dark. So this is how it looks inside. It has a heating coil for baking. And this is the kneading blade. So we need to fix this in the bread tin. To fix the bread tin, you need to rotate clockwise to lock it properly. Always remember, before you start the machine, you have to make sure that the bread tin has locked properly. By pressing the menu button one by one, you can choose the desired options you need. To start any option, first you need to choose the menu, then you need to change the weight, then you need to select the desired color you need. Then if you want to change the timing, then you can also increase and decrease the timing. Then at last you need to press the start button. So now let's see how to make the basic bread. So this is the first option, and in this machine you get a recipe book, which is definitely good. I am using it, I am following it blindly, and this is giving me a quite good result. So according to the recipe book, we need to add all the wet ingredients first, then we need to add the dry ingredients. Always remember, while pouring the yeast, it should not touch to the water, otherwise it will get activated immediately. So in this machine you will get one measuring cup and one measuring spoon. So in this, the bigger part is called scoop and the smaller part is called spoon. The best part about this machine is, once you add all the measured ingredients, your job is done. You can do your other household works, you can read books, you can spend time with your family member. So once we add all the ingredients, now we need to select the option. So as I am doing the basic bread, so the option is already selected, the first one. Now you need to select the weight. I am doing 750 gram. And now we need to select the color. I always select the dark option so that the bread outside comes so well. And then we need to start. As it is an automatic machine, once we press the start button, it will take 3 hours to complete the basic bread. In this time, it does all the process like kneading, resting, formatting, then the last is baking. This is the transparent glass window through which we can see the process, what is happening inside. It is not possible to upload the entire bread making process, but I have captured some for your idea and better understanding. You can see how nicely it has fermented the bread dough. This is how it bakes the bread. Always keep away from the kids as it will be so hot while baking the bread. Once the bread baking is done, it will give a beep sound for 60 seconds. You need to press the start button until it resets the option. Then you can off the machine. Through this, the hot air gets ventilated. To remove the bread tin, rotate anti-clockwise. Wow, the bread has come out so well. This is how it looks as we have selected the dark color setting. Rest the bread at least for 2 to 3 hours so that the cooking process will get complete. So this is the clip when I have tried making 1,000 grams of bread. So while making the 1 kilo bread, it completely fermented till the top window. So this is how it looks. Wow, it looks so tempting. Now it is the time to slice our bread. I am in love with this machine, the way it bakes the bread. And the taste of the bread is way better than the store bought bread. I never ever dreamed that I can make bread at home without any hassle, without making my kitchen messy. Overall, the machine is good and a great add-on to our kitchen. Somebody like me who loves to have homemade fresh bread, so here you go. So the best part about this machine is you can customize your own bread and have fresh bread at home. I have also tried making whole wheat bread, oats bread, multi-grain bread, and 2 to 3 times I made fruit jam, which has came out so well. I will definitely make a separate video on that. To get proper bread slice, you need to use bread knife. Please do not use the regular knife which we use in our daily kitchen. It will not cut the bread properly and spoil the bread. So I will definitely give the link of the knife what I am using here in the description box. Please check for that. Here is our fresh and preservative free bread is ready. You can see how soft it's looking. You can store it in an airtight container for 1 to 2 days, and you need to consume it within 2 days as it doesn't have any kind of preservative. Now it is your wish how you wanted to have it. You can make sandwich, you can make bread toast, French toast, you can also make bread pizza, so on. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you have not, and let me know about the video in comment section. See you soon with a new video. Till then, take care, stay tuned.